I am utilizing the Bid Integrations plugin to establish a connection between these two platforms. Let's go to Bid Integration Dashboard. Create integrations. Search and select a trigger Gutena Forms. Now, click on the Fetch button. Go to your contact form site and fill it out to retrieve the Gutena Forms. Go back to your integration site. Here you can see that it has been successfully fetched. Set action. Search and select Gravitec. Give here your site URL. Also, give here the app key and app secret key. So go to the Gravitec dashboard. Setting. REST API. Now copy the app key and app secret, then paste it on the integration site. Authorized it. Authorization is successfully done. Next. Choose an action. Map the respective fields. Here are some advanced features in action and conditional logic. You can use it for your requirement. Next. Finish and save it. Go to your form. Submit it. Go to the Gravitec site and navigate to the campaign history. Here, the notification data came into the campaign history successfully. Also, the browser notification showed me that I had successfully. Thanks for watching.